Hello, random YouTube people. Do you have some mold buildup on your grout and you cannot get rid of it no matter how many cleaning products you've tried? Well, get off your knees and stop scrubbing because I have found the product for you. Get ready to say goodbye to the mold with just a simple swipe. So if you want results like this, then stay tuned to learn how.
Subscribe.
We clean our shower quite regularly, and despite our best efforts, we cannot seem to remove the mold buildup on the grout around the outer edge of the shower. Even after several different products and hours of scrubbing, nothing seems to remove this nasty mold. But I finally found a product that works so well I wanted to show it to you. It's a product I found on Amazon, and I will share the link to this product in the video description. Before you begin using this product, pay attention to this caution about eye and skin irritant. You're going to want to find some kind of eye protection and wear some kind of protective gloves. Really just a good rule of thumb using any kind of cleaning products. Alright, let's get to it. First, when we open the box, you're going to find a rag. This rag is to use later when you're wiping off the cleaning compound. This box contains 2 tubes of the mold stain removing gel and 2 plastic application nozzles for each tube. And lastly, it comes with a tool to help you with the application of the gel, which you may or may not use. And now on to using this awesome product. First, remember your gloves and glasses. Place the nozzle on the mold stain remover gel bottle. Now simply apply to the areas that need mold stain removal. You saw a section there on the left that's already been cleaned. Now let's target this other section that needs cleaning. Looks pretty gross, doesn't it? Not to worry, we're going to make it look nice and brand new like this section on the left. With your gloves and eye protection on, simply take your mold removing gel and put it on the grout or wherever the mold is that you need to remove. And here we go. A very simple application. You simply just squeeze. Just squeeze and move it along the area of mold. The consistency of this is not like caulking, so if you mess up a little bit, that's okay. We can go back with that little brush to help smear it into the area that we need. And just remember to not squeeze too hard because I had some of this product shoot out and go towards my eyes. That's what she said. Just do your best and remember we can smear it later. Now that we have a good amount of the product applied, you could just leave it like this, or you can go back with that little tool and use the brush to kind of smear the gel into the areas that are affected. In the tool, there's also a piece that kind of looks like a measuring cup. You can use the flat part of that to help smear and flatten it out, or you can use it to scoop up some areas that you didn't want to get product in, but you just use this tool how you see fit. You don't even have to use it if you don't want to. One section down, now on to the other. Gross. Can't wait till this product works. But you can already see in that section on the right that this product already does work, so I'm not worried about it. I repeated the steps I've already shown, and I covered all the affected areas with this nice mold removing gel compound. That was really so simple to apply. Now we're just going to walk away and let it sit for a couple of hours. According to the box, for most applications you're going to let it sit for 4 to 5 hours. If it's really intense or severe mold, wait 5 to 8 hours. What I actually did was just apply this at nighttime before I went to bed, and then wiped it off first thing in the morning. Alright, here we are the next morning, gloves on, let's go check it out. And here we are, you can already tell that it looks so much better. There are no more dark areas anymore, anywhere I look, where the gel compound was applied. Now check out this magic. All you're going to do now is take that included rag and simply wipe off the gel compound, and look at that. No more nasty brown and black looking mold. I'm not sure if it was actually black mold, but man, it was disgusting looking. But now all we see is the original grout color. It looks so good, and really it was so simple to do. You just apply it and then wipe it off, and that's it. Now let's get to wiping off the rest. Now as you wipe away this compound, you'll get some of these clumps. I just scoop them up and I'm putting them in a plastic bag for garbage. And we're almost done. Just look at how clean this looks. I don't know if you can tell over the video here, but this shower looks like it's brand new. This caulking was new. It looked like it never had any mold on it at all. These results are so good. It looks so nice. Here's a comparison video. Can you see how nasty it used to look and how good it looks now? It's really just quite incredible and super simple. Just look at how good these results are. This looks like a completely different shower. It looks new, it looks clean, it looks fresh. I am so impressed with these results. Apply, wait a little bit, wipe off. It's so simple and it looks so good. This will save so much time on your knees scrubbing. It just works, and I'm so proud to show it to you. And no, I'm not being sponsored, not yet, but I am just so extremely proud and happy of these results. And it was just so easy. So if you have mold issues like I did, say goodbye to the mold with this awesome product you can get on Amazon. Look for the link to this product in the video description.
And if this video has helped you out, help me out. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and most importantly of all,
Subscribe.
Subscribe.